Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you that this simple mindset shift makes life feel way easier. That's right, it's something simple that you can think of, a certain way of thinking, a mindset per se, and when you shift your mindset to be this way, your life is likely to feel way easier. It's very, very simplistic. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. The mindset shift that you have to make, the way that you have to think is the following. You have to think and understand and truly believe that you are capable of anything that is humanly possible on this earth. That's absolutely correct. That is right on. That is spot on. You are capable of anything that is humanly possible on this earth. I don't want to say you're capable of anything because you can't just like levitate and fly, right? But if you think of what is the upper limit of what is possible of being a human on this earth, you're capable of anything of that sort, okay? You can't just like, I don't want to say anything at all because you can't just like make yourself just all of a sudden become taller instantaneously, right? That's like, that's physically impossible. It's humanly impossible to just instantaneously just become taller in the next 5 seconds, right? So something like that, obviously you're not capable of that, but anything that is humanly possible on this earth, you are capable of. Now let me explain this to you, okay? I don't know if this is going to be the right way in terms of like looking at it, you know, my hands starting at one side and moving to the other, but even if it's sort of reverse from how it should be, you're going to get the idea. You are currently here, and this is, let's say, where you want to be, your goal, okay? So you're right here, you want to be here. You can get there. Period. Done. That's it. Simple. Over. That's how you got to think, okay? Now, there is a caveat, there's a catch, okay? Now, essentially, the catch is very simple, that it's going to take varying amounts of time and effort to get from where you are to where you want to be. Some things, depending on how far away those ends are and how, you know, how difficult it is, some things might only take, you know, an hour of time and effort or a minute of time and effort. Other things might take a lifetime, virtually a lifetime, or like 50 years, right? So, of course, it's going to take varying amounts of time and effort. But at the end of the day, if you really wanted to, you can literally do anything that you want to. Okay, anything that you can imagine that is humanly possible on this earth, you can do. Like, I can confidently say, this sounds crazy, and I'm not athletic at all. And I'm 5'7", okay? And, you know, I'm not the lightest that I've been, if you know what I'm saying. Okay? I'm probably, you know, 20 to 30 pounds heavier than I should be. Okay? But I can confidently say that if someone said you need to make it into a professional basketball league and play like and be a good player in the league, or a professional hockey league and play and be a good player in the league, or a professional tennis league, whatever the case is, if someone were to say to me, you need to do that, I could figure it out. I could do it. Sure, I might have to do the craziest, most ridiculous things to be, you know, to be a professional basketball player, because I'm not great at it and I'm relatively shorter than the average player by a good amount. But I could figure it out. I'll figure out a way, right? I'll figure out a way. It's simple. I know it's possible. And when you understand that you are actually capable of it, okay, then it just, your life becomes easier, your mindset becomes easier. Now, is that to say that you're going to do all of that and that it's worth it? No, it's not worth it for me to go and try making it into a professional basketball league. It's not, and I don't want to do it, right? And if I had to do it, I would, but I don't have to do it, right? But I could. I know in my mind, and you might think I'm crazy, and maybe I am a little bit cuckoo. Yes, maybe I am a little bit crazy and cuckoo, of course. But I can say confidently, like I can really say confidently that if I needed to become a professional basketball player, boom, I would. Look at that. Swish. Okay? Very simple. When you understand that, your life becomes easier. When you believe it, you got to believe it. True to your core, you got to believe it. Your life becomes easier. Very simple. And that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.